how to apply for a Maybank credit card. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to apply for a Maybank credit card. If you wanna go ahead and apply for a Maybank credit card, you need to follow these steps. So open up a browser, type in the link that is www.maybank2u.com.sg/en. This will take you to the official page. Here you could see the list of credit card that they offer. So they offer different types of credit card. However, the procedure will remain the same for all of these. I'm gonna pick a particular card and I'm gonna click on apply now. Next thing, you will be taken to the page where you could read about all of these information. So you have to go to meet the eligibility criteria and all of that. Tap on apply now, scroll down a bit, read about all of these eligibility criteria and click on apply online now. When you press on that, it's going to direct you to the next field where you have to go ahead and start the application procedure. So for the application, you'll need to provide all of the document that you need to go ahead and fill up. So when you have actually done it, so this way you'll be able to apply for the credit card of your Maybank. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.